Okay, I just got the Oldsmobile running again. Let's see if it vapor locks. It's about it's probably about 105 outside right now. Not extremely hot for Golden Valley, but it's still pretty warm, so gonna check it and see if it'll vapor lock. New alternator is working good. Well, I don't know what happened. It said the file is repaired, so apparently there's something wrong with my camera again. I'm taking the Oldsmobile out to see if it still vapor locks. Put a new accelerator pump in the carburetor, rerouted the fuel line, put an alternator on it because the generator just wasn't reliable. Seems to have better acceleration now that it has that new leather sleeve on the accelerator pump. I don't know what happened to the other one. It was a brand new accelerator pump, but it was a rubber or plastic sleeve on it. It just ripped apart. Rerouted the fuel line. I used the old fuel line and just made a couple of extra bends in it, but I have that new copper nickel tubing in the garage. I'm just waiting for some fittings for it, and I'm gonna put new fuel line in it. I just put the old fuel line on it because I wanted to make sure I had the alternator routed right, or wired up right. is starting to creep up. It's almost up to the middle mark now. I think that's probably about 190 degrees. It's got 160 degree thermostat in it. That's 65 miles an hour there. Sounds good, but it's the temperature gauge is up to the halfway mark, a little over halfway mark, so I think the car is still going to overheat. I've got the auxiliary fan that's mounted in front of the radiator turned on, and it's still getting warm.